And
Okay, why me?
I think very similar reasons, because again, life is simple. You're not the typical woman, I guess. You know, you're independent. That was my first biggest thing. That someone I'm with should be independent, should be educated, should have her own, you know, own path selected, which you did, and I really admire your passion towards work. The industry you are in, it's a very competitive field, but I feel that you've done very well. You've achieved very well for your age, your experience, which has accumulated over time. And I mean, again, I guess you understand me well. That was my one of my major concerns, because I think I'm a very difficult person to
Yes, you are.
understand, and I'm glad. I guess somewhere maybe 10% you understood me. I don't know. I'm just joking. But yeah, see, I just wanted simple things in my partner, and I'm glad that it's you.
To say, Saripol. One thing I want to say that after living abroad for so many years, when you came back, I had this apprehension that I don't know about your ethics, your values, and but surprisingly, you are very balanced. You have a good broad mindset, and you understand me, and at the same time you're rooted. Your ethics are very strong.
I would like to thank my parents for that.
Yeah, I was about to say it कि अगर अपनी mom in law को ये बोलूँगी तो मेरे संस्कार हैं जो मेरे बेटे में है, which is true. जो those values, I really respect them, and I'm surprised and I'm happy that you are a very balanced person, east and west. Bhaskar is the best. So yeah, that's what it is. And on camera, commit that you will be the same. You will never change.
I don't have to commit on the camera, but I mean, if that makes you happy, and I guess this is a woman thing. They need the security thing, but so yeah, I mean, I'm not going to change. I don't want to
Look
change.
into my eyes and say it.
You're trying to.
Look into my eyes and say you will never change.
It's not working.
Say it.
Yeah, I will not change. I mean, I wouldn't change. I have always been like this, and I am like this, and I'm going to be like this.
And you know the best part, when I told my mom about you, so she's like, what is that you like in him? So I was like, I just told her one thing. I wish she was very convinced, and she was telling all my relatives that this is what she replied. I told her that there is nothing in Bhaskar which I want to change. Nothing at all. If you tell me one thing you want to change in Bhaskar, I would say I have nothing. What Bhaskar is to me, I just want. There is nothing I want to change in him. So.
I think I can tell you like 10 things. I'm just joking.
Yeah, please keep saying this and don't edit that he's joking. Yeah, so that was the thing, that there's nothing I want to change in you. Just be the way you are.
Yeah.
And keep cooking, keep making good food.
Take some cooking classes.
I will, which I keep saying. It's been long. It's a time.
Yeah, you owe me like 5 meals now, promised.
I will. ये थी भास्कर और मेरी कहानी, जब एक फरिश्ता ऊपर से आया और उसने कहा यही है वो।
फरिश्ता आया नहीं है,
मतलब आया, वो
अच्छा,
दिखता नहीं है, वो
अच्छा।
फील होता है। यही है वो जो तुम्हारे जीवन को साकार कर देगा। फिर आपके ड्रीम में एक फरिश्ता आया, उसने बोला यही है वो काजल जो आपकी लाइफ को बदल देगी, बहुत सुंदर बना देगी, आप हेल्दी वेल्दी सब कुछ हो जाओगे। ऐसा आया था, आया था। तो ये थी हमारी कहानी, मी एंड भास्कर महेश्वरी,
काजल की जुबानी।
Don't think we are mad. We are just normal people.
Manish is like-
We are aliens. See, I have to share this story. When his parents came to my place for the first time, he was so worried. How am I going to behave? He called me from while he was coming. He called me. He said, "Kajal, be little shy. Don't talk much. And baby, you need to touch their feet. You don't have to go all the way, but just say namaste, and be little shy." That's what he told me. And when I told this to my parents, they were like, "Ha, देखा ये ऐसे हमारी नाक कटवाना, तुम लड़की ऐसे."
That's why I was worried.
कूदते पूते है ना. And his mom is really worried. माँ, मैं आपको कैमरा पे बोल रही हूँ. I will be shy. I will not talk much. मैं कूदूंगी नहीं. And I'll behave myself. Give me money for behaving myself. You owe me some few lakhs to keep me controlled.
See, Kajal, now that you're gonna get married to me, all my money is your money.
How diplomatic. To start with, give me your diamond.
Why would I give that? I will give you a diamond on the ring ceremony day.
Then it's fine. Yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted to say. Anything else?
That's it.
मेरी शान में और कुछ? मेरी खूबसूरती के बारे में?
सब एक दिन में ही बुलवा लोगे?
हाँ, अभी सब. He's cute. And he's cute. He's entertaining. And I love you.
See, very an entire package.
And I'm one of those luckiest people who get married to whom they love.
That's so am I.
We light up the sky, I'm talking sparking. So the darkness can die, there's no abundance.
Okay, this is our car, and I call her Chameli because it's white and she's close to my heart. And we have again great memories with this car. And Bhaskar, you made this heart, and it's still there.
Yeah.
No one touched it. So yeah, you want to say something about my Chameli?
I guess this has been with us since our first day.
Yeah.
Obviously it's been with you, but it's been with me since our first day. And yeah, we had many trips with this car. We
have fought here. We have
Yeah.
solved so many problems driving around, and all our business meetings. We are nervous. We are discussing. We are arguing, and Chameli took care of us. And then coming out from parties late night, you just leave Chameli wherever you want to, and then next morning we are looking out for her. So you do it most of the times. And yeah, we love her. We really love her. And I'm going to take her to my wedding. I'll decorate her, and yeah, she'll be part of our wedding. Yeah, and I feel connected to this car. And yeah, this car has seen our journey. So yeah. guys, this is the place, Tryst, and this is the place where we first interacted. We met at our friend's place, but after that we came here to party, and where he started talking to me, because at our friend's place he was like in a style sitting in the corner like a dude, so I was trying to ignore him.
I was just trying to be a gentleman.
He was just trying to show off. Let me be honest. And yeah, there he sang a song for all of us, and he sang "Hum to Thehre Pardesi, Saath Kya Nibaoge." Yeah, because you were singing it.
Okay.
So yeah, then we came here, we started chatting, and we had lots of fun. Those 4 or 5 hours of party, we were just talking to each other and enjoying.
Yeah, it was more about getting to know each other. It was more about knowing each other, and I guess things started from there, and that's why this place is very special to us.
Yeah, we are not able to go inside because it's renovating. Like, we are starting a new life. I guess this club is also starting a new journey.
Yeah, I wish we could take you inside, but maybe next time.